26th question. Yesterday we stopped at 626. Today we are starting with 27th question. Record the following transactions in an accounting equation and find the following. Find the following. Asset, non-current asset, later we will come to that point, right? So the equations, if you come, assets equals to equity plus liability. Equity plus liability. So someone is drawing an arrow. Don't disturb the class with that. A. Started a business by investing 25. You all know many times we practice this question. When owner investing some capital, we will receive money. So plus 25,000 cash under the asset. Under the asset. Then since it is invested by the owner, we will add to the equity 25,000 capital. 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 Is there any small children in the class? Grade 5, grade 4? There is an arrow drawn. Please delete that. Don't let your sons to and daughters to play in my classroom. Okay? Please do that. Okay? Someone's son or daughter is playing with that. Huh? Keep them away. Right. B part. Okay? B part. When you come to B part, bank loan obtained 10,000. So your asset increases by 10,000. You will receive money, so cash increases. Same time, you will you borrow a loan, so it is a liability increases by 10,000. It is a bank loan. Bank loan. Okay. Then C part. It is said loan obtained from Pallavan 30,000. You obtain money, so you receive money, cash come under asset 30,000, and it is a liability plus 30,000. It is a P loan 30,000. P loan 30,000. I'm sorry, what is C? Sorry, plus it is 30,000, right? 30,000 cash, and it is increasing the liability by 30,000. What is that? That is P loan. Pallavan loan. Okay, I hope everyone got correct answer for this. Huh? D. Okay, D. Let's see D, my dear. Bought a furniture for 20,000. Bought a furniture for 20,000. So when you buy furniture, you pay money, right? You pay money, so your cash decreases by 20,000. Cash coming under asset 20,000. Then you bought a furniture. Can you tell me where is the other entry come under asset or equity or liability? Quickly tell me the answer in your message, everyone. And asset plus or minus. Put asset plus or minus. Asset or liability. Someone is writing. Please write your answers quickly. Furniture is an asset. Therefore, under asset it increases by 20,000. It is furniture. Furniture. Okay. Okay. E part. Bought a vehicle on credit 25. Bought a vehicle. Bought a vehicle. So when you buy a vehicle, vehicle is an asset, right? Vehicle is an asset. So asset increases by 25,000. Vehicle. Can you tell me where is the other effect now? Can you tell me where? I have given only question and answers. Right. So G, H, repayment of loan to Pallavan 2,000. So when you repay, cash decreases by 2,000. Cash decreases by 2,000. It is a repayment of loan. So liability decreases by 2,000. Pallavan loan. Pallavan loan. Okay. Right. That's all. How many of you got all correct? Just post me the answer. The first part of the question, where assets, liabilities, equities are recorded. Then there is a second question. Find out record the following transaction in an accounting equation and find the following. It is said find the following. Number one, asset. So that's what I gave box here. You don't want to write in the box. We can write inside that. First one, You can say first transaction, sorry. Okay. First transaction, total asset. They're asking asset. 5 questions altogether. 5 questions are there. Assets. So if you take the asset, my dear, take the asset column only. Add then deduct. Add then deduct. Can you tell me the total amount how much? So if you take the assets for the 25, 35, 65. 25, 35, 65. 65 plus 25. This plus and minus will get deleted, right? So 25, 35, 65, 85, 90. 90 minus 9, answer is 81,000. Don't forget to type rupees in front. Rupees 81. When you write the answers in exam, you must write 81,000. Before that, you have to write rupees. Okay. Second question, non-current asset. What do you mean by non-current asset? Non-current asset means out of the assets which you can use for long term without changes. You see, you have cash in this sum, all the cash getting increase, decrease, increase, decrease. So cash is not a non-current asset, it is a current asset. It is a current asset. The non-current assets are furniture and vehicle. Once you buy a furniture, you can use it for long term. Once you buy a vehicle, you can use it for long term. Therefore, total 45,000 is your non-current asset, rupees 45,000. Rupees 45,000. Got it? Number 3. Current assets. Current assets. Okay. You know, total asset is 81. Non-current asset is 45. So the balance will be definitely current asset. How much? That is 36,000 rupees. Simple answer. Can you understand what I said? Total asset 81. Total asset how much? 81. Non-current asset 45. So the balance will be definitely current asset. Balance will be definitely current asset. Therefore, if you deduct, you will find the current asset 36. You want to add and deduct what? You don't want to add one by one cash, how much 25, 35, 65 like that. You can just directly find the answer from this. Fourth question. Fourth question. Let's see the fourth question answer. Fourth question is owner's equity. So equity, if you see equity column, you have only 2 entries in that. 25 plus 2 minus, so answer is 23,000 rupees. 23,000 rupees. 23,000. Got it, my dear? Understand? Right. What's the last question? Total liability. Total liability. Liability also you don't want to add and deduct one by one, easily you can find. How much your total asset, my dear? 81. 81. Total asset how much? 81. What is your total liability? Fourth one. Sorry, total equity, fourth one, 23. Asset minus equity equals to liability. So 81 minus total liability 23, total equity 23. Therefore, your liability will be 58,000 rupees. 58,000. Good. Some people immediately they post the answers 58. Very good. I appreciate you. Keep it up. Keep doing. Very good. Good job. Very good, my dear. Right. Okay. Now, question number 27. Those who need, you can take the screenshot, my dear. I have given the full answers in that. Those who need, you can take the screenshot. Then we can move to the next question. Okay. Question number 28. 27, 28 question and 29 question. Can you mark the answer for 28 and 9? Tell me the answer. 28, which one? 29, which one? A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D. 28, what answer? 29, what answer? Can you write, everyone? I will now, in 5 minutes, I will close the meeting and you have to rejoin. Remember, in 5 minutes, I will inform you, don't worry. In 5 minutes, I will close the meeting, then you will. Okay, right. So, capital invested by the owner, asset and liability increasing, that is wrong. Bank loan obtained, asset and capital increasing, wrong. Credit purchase, asset and very good. So 28, answer is C. Answer is C. 29. Which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following is incorrect? Wrong one. Capital invested by the owner, capital asset increases. Correct answer. The question is incorrect. Purchase of furniture on credit, capital and liability increasing. So it is impossible. Answer is B. So 28 C, 29 B. 28 C, 29 B. Okay, right, good. So 99% got correct answers. Right. Now we are coming to the next area, income, expense and profit. I will